We go celebrate this year's Sallah Shekele cause of coronavirus matter. Presido Buhari. As Muslims for Naija join other people for the world, they prepare for Eid al-Fitr, the day where them they celebrate to mark the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting. Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say make the celebrations dey limited sake of the global yamayama disease crisis. As e come be so, Oga Presido, first family, personal aides, members of cabinet and service chiefs wey don decide to remain for Abuja go gather in full compliance with COVID-19 protocols for the forecourt of Presidential Villa for the Eid prayers as the time for the prayers na 9 o'clock. After the prayers, traditional Sallah homage wey religious, community and political leaders dey pay to Oga Presido no go hold sake of the pandemic. Im come encourage leaders to do the celebrations for their houses as dem take do am last year. Presido Buhari come specially thank the ulama, Islamic clerics and other religious leaders wey dey continue to pray for the well-being of Naija and im pipo. Im come also use the opportunity take condole with pipo wey lose their family members sake of the madness as im take talk am wey dey shele for some parts of the country. Presido come call on local leaders say make dem talk to their youths make dem no allow pipo use dem take cause katakata for the country. Im yarn dis one for the statement wey e release through Garba Shehu, the senior special assistant to the president on media and publicity. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top with tori for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from State House, Abuja.